Speaking to the media, Education Minister Lakkuman Rumbui expressed uncertainty on the scholastic performance of all the schools. As said by the Education Minister, the matter cannot be rationally taken hastily, especially during irrational, unprecedented times. All necessary measures will only take shape after the end of the academic calendar. A meticulous probe is being carried out to ensure that the students are not at loss of academics and that with hope, examinations can be conducted normally as it is. Although many schools in urban areas have already completed the final examination, the calendar of 2020 will still continue till February 2021.
Decision we will take only after the end, before the end of the academic calendar. We cannot take a decision now. I wish that the thing will improve so that we could do the children will not lose much and exam could be conducted in a normal way. But at least for the urban, as I said before, they have done most of the schools. They are doing their final exam. But even though they finish the exam also, but the calendar continues till the month of Feb.